Welcome, friends, to our cozy Christmas home tour. It's been a while. Forgive my lack of presence on YouTube. We have been busy this year, as most of you know, remodeling our home. We've really been trying to enjoy the holidays this year and just giving ourselves a little bit of time of rest after spending over a year just working on our house nonstop and doing some really huge projects on our property. I have a lot more I want to go into about our property and our future and the things that we want to do. But today it's all about Christmas and our cozy home tour. And a little bit of a Christmas vlog is kind of going to be thrown in there too. And during the winter, I really like light. So this room has been huge to me for just making the winter bright and cheery. And I kind of lean more towards a Scandinavian simple lines room. A lot of my stuff went into storage and I'm bringing it back really slowly as we put stuff in and deciding what I really want and what I don't want. So the house doesn't have a lot of pictures on the walls and things like that yet. We're just kind of slowly adjusting to the house being remodeled. And we went really, really simple on the Christmas decor this year and I love it. And I just wanted to share this all this decor with you and today with you, and I hope you guys enjoy following along and just getting a fun little tour of the house and some cozy atmosphere.
Just this one.
Just this one?
That
Okay,
came
perfect.
out. Show me.
Oh, you're good.
So if you guys want any of the recipes that I've talked about in the past, go check out the blog forgottenwayfarms.com. I have a ton of good recipes for the holidays. And also I have my cookbook, Cozy Christmas Baking, on Amazon. It's a Hygge inspired Christmas, and you can find that book on Amazon. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. The very next day, you gave it away. This